Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the resolution in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing this clipboard on the main menu screen or by pressing the escape key and then hitting settings. Once here, select graphics. Under the display section there should be the resolution. Here you can toggle between the available resolution presets. Once you find the one you are looking for, I will stick with my native one, hit apply. Let me just, for the sake of the demonstration, show you that it actually works. Yes, and once you are done choosing your resolution, simply press close and back out of this menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.